at the ingredients for our very simple breakfast sausage patties. We have ground pork. This is 1 and 1.3 pounds. So we're going to make about 7 patties out of this lovely ground plain pork. No added ingredients, seasonings, corn syrup, or any other stuff in it. The seasonings we use are garlic powder, Fennel Seeds, and Poultry Seasoning, which works really well to give you that country sausage taste. Now we're going to open it up. So I'm not much of a measurer, so what I do is I sprinkle a bit of poultry seasoning here, some fennel seeds, about a ton, maybe about a teaspoon, some garlic powder on this side, and then I flipped it. Put a little garlic salt on that side. And I'm doing it in the actual plastic container here because it makes it easier, less cleanup. I can actually form the patties and just fit them right into this container. So we have about the same amount of seasonings on both sides, and I'm going to mash it together with my hands. So as you can see, it took about maybe 5-7 minutes if you're keeping track of time here. And I made 7 lovely sausage patties. There's one hiding under there. And these patties are all about the same size. One came a little bit smaller, but that's okay because pork doesn't really shrink. And the next step for these is to put them, probably in 2 batches, into the air fryer. So this is my GoWise air fryer. It is a 5.8 quart air fryer that I got for Christmas. Oh, you can almost see me in it. And I absolutely love it. I use it all the time to make my paleo dishes, wings, burgers, everything looks amazing in here. So next we're going to probably do 3 sausages, and then we'll cook it at 370 for 10 minutes. Flip them, and we're going to take these sausages for a ride here. They love the ride. I'm going to take one there. See, they just fit beautifully in there. I can do 4 on this round and 3 on another. And I do cook on parchment paper for most things. This is unbleached perforated parchment paper, which I got at Amazon.com. 100 pieces for not very much money. Alright, so they're looking perfect. 370 degrees for 10 minutes. And then we'll flip them. So I have cooked these for 10 minutes, and now I'm going to flip them. They look very nice and brown on one side. They're not, see, they didn't really shrink a lot. And back in they go. They're not greasy either. 5 minutes. So this is the first batch. There's 4 beautiful little sausages in there, and I'm going to make 3 more. I'm going to change the parchment paper and do another batch. So now we're ready to go for the final 3. I did change the paper to the, and it is a simple task of going down to 10 minutes, flipping them at 5 minutes, flipping them at 10 minutes and doing it for another 5 minutes. And here's the final result. We've got 7 lovely patties. I use them on my homemade paleo bagels, which I will at some point share. And I crumble them up and I put them in omelets, and sometimes I just eat them instead of eating bacon with my eggs, because there's no added ingredients. They don't make me hurt, and I hope you enjoy them. Let me know in the comment section if you like this recipe. Maybe I'll make some more. Subscribe to me. Let's have a chat.